Hey there, this is EJ, your AI host for today's episode for Biodesign Academy. This is where we break down the futures of biology, design, and AI in plain English with real tools and clear takeaways. If you're new here and want more like this every week, hit pause and head to biodesign.academy to sign up for our free newsletter. You'll get weekly insights, toolkits, and interviews to help you stay sharp, whether you're in the lab, the studio, or somewhere in between. Let's talk about something I keep getting asked. What's the difference between biodesign and regenerative design? Are they the same thing? Should I choose one? Can I do both? Here's the truth. These two fields sound similar, but they offer very different philosophies, workflows, and career paths. And knowing the difference can save you years of guessing, misalignment, or wasted applications. Let's break it down. Biodesign. Biodesign is about working with biology as a creative partner. It's not just about copying nature, it's about collaborating with it. Think grown materials, genetic design, microbial manufacturing. Imagine garments grown from bacteria, packaging made from mycelium, or sensors made from algae. This field lives at the edge of biotech and creativity. Fast, experimental, often speculative. If you're the kind of person who loves rapid prototyping, tinkering with materials, or learning in the lab, biodesign might be your path. Expect lab-based courses, fellowships in synthetic biology, and a lot of pipettes and petri dishes. Regenerative design. On the flip side, regenerative design takes a systems thinking approach. It's not just about sustainability, it's about restoring ecological and social systems. Picture urban food forests, water positive buildings, or regenerative agriculture and architecture. Here, the work is slower, deeper, and more embedded in place and community. If you're drawn to big picture thinking, long term planning, and working with landscapes or infrastructures, this might be your lane. Courses in this space focus on cultural research, ecology, and participatory design, and you're more likely to be mapping ecosystems than running gene edits. How to choose. So how do you decide? Start by asking, are you more of a maker or a systems thinker? Do you like short cycles or long timelines? Do you want to work with bacteria or with communities? Biodesign tends to attract experimenters, tinkerers, material hackers. Regenerative design draws in planners, facilitators, and those working toward holistic sustainability. Career paths. In biodesign, roles might include biofabrication specialist, biotech product designer, synthetic biology consultant. You'll find jobs in fashion tech, medtech, and material startups, often on the bleeding edge of regulation. In regenerative design, you might become regenerative architect, urban resilience strategist, ecological systems. Designer opportunities often live in architecture firms, urban planning departments, or environmental NGOs. The bigger picture. Of course, this isn't a binary choice. Some of the most exciting projects today combine both. Designers growing biomaterials while restoring local ecosystems. Architects using fungi-based insulation while designing with water cycles in mind. And that's the real secret. The future belongs to those who can fluently move between both worlds. Lab and land, molecules and systems, precision and care. Because as we face climate crises, ecological breakdown, and social instability, the real question isn't just what we design, but how and why, before you go. If this resonated, if you're curious about working at the intersection of design, biology, and the future, join the newsletter at biodesign.academy. You'll get weekly briefings, toolkits, and resources to help you explore both paths, and maybe even invent a new one. Thanks for listening, and as always, may your designs carry both wildness and wisdom.